Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and let me share with you how to check for these software updates on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then let's open the settings. Also, I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. So now let's simply scroll all the way down and find software update. Now let's tap on check for updates, and your device will check for available updates, obviously. And basically you can meet two different scenarios. So this is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download, which is great, you're good to go. And the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.